What is this called? Radish. What is this called? Beetroot. What is this called? Spinach. What is this called? Red cabbage. What is this called? Iceberg lettuce. What is this called? Romaine lettuce. Cos lettuce. What is this called? Butternut squash. Butternut pumpkin. What is this called? Scallion. Spring onion. What is this called? Pomegranate. What is this called? Papaya. What is this called? Fig. What is this called? Kiwi. What is this called? Lychee. What is this called? Persimmon. What is this called? Cranberry. What is this called? Passion fruit. What is this called? Rock melon. What is this called? Dragon fruit. What is this called? Durian. What is this called? Loquat. What is this called? Asparagus. What is this called? Bell pepper. What is this called? Eggplant. What is this called? Cauliflower. What is this called? Leek. What is this called? Broccolini. What is this called? Zucchini. What is this called? Artichoke. What is this called? Brussels sprout. What is this called? Kale. What is this called? Fennel. What is this called? Snow peas.